Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another episode of a part two of Forgotten Programs. This is Kodi, the sequel to XBMC, which is the older version of Kodi. So this is the modern and older version of Kodi, which I downloaded from a portable version. Portable version. So with this program, I installed YouTube, which does not work, unfortunately, which is sad. So as you can see here, I've already set up a music folder, and again, music is more accessible now. Music is more accessible now. This app also has custom skins. Wait, let me just play this. So you can see it has its own visualizers. Yes, I downloaded a few visualizers. This is a GOOM. This is called GOOM, which is a 2K4 visualization. Very cool. Obviously, I will not be going uh, over the rest of these. So, just like XBMC, you can go to your pictures folder. Ooh, it has a more cleaner interface. It has a more cleaner interface. And it feels just like the Xbox. It feels just like um, the old Microsoft programs from 2012 when they had that weird Metro UI design language. So we got videos. This is obviously my videos folder. This is my CapCut videos folder. It's pretty much the same and all of that, except it's has a different it has a different menu and design. Yeah, so this is my videos folder. And I did not know this until now, but this app also has skins that were built by the community. Let me just go to interface, skin. Obviously, there's only one skin. And would you look at that? A bunch of different skins. First off, we're gonna try Aeon Taijo. It's only Aeon Taijo. This may take a while. Yeah, I'm gonna skip this part when it gets finished in a bit. Alright, so this is weird. Okay, so this is what the menu, this new custom menu looks like. It looks really messy, really simple. I love it, but not the right type for me. So let's go back to system, interface, and skin, get more. And this one's got to be my favorite. This is called the Experience 1080. Clean, modern, and elegant skin. So we're just gonna wait for a little bit here. Oh, and by the way, if you want to install this program yourself, you can go to portableapps.com. I'm not advertising this, but you can go to portableapps.com to install this cool freaking program. And you can experience what the 2000s was like back then. But obviously, this program's more 2015 oriented, so we're just gonna wait this out for a little bit. It's stuck at the cursed nut. It is currently stuck at a cursed number, so I'm gonna fast forward this footage a little bit. Okay, so installation failed. Failed to install a dependency. Wow, that is very fucking stupid. Okay, fine. Let's try out Confluence. Wow, that was fast. So this is what Confluence looks like. Obviously the text is broken. Oh, it's not broken. So the menu, it's a bit more cleaner. Reminds me of those old smart TVs, you know. Games. I don't have any games. I have pictures though. First one, help is tapping menu. Oh, that's cool. So this kind of reminds me of the XBMC menu. This is the XBMC menu, bruh. Files, videos. Yeah, so it pretty much looks like the same. Oh, it crashed. Fuck. Oh my god. Alright, let's try this again. So, obviously this program is a bit buggy, which kind of sucks. Let's go to Files, Music, and Volume Warning. Is it gonna crash? Oh, finally. So yeah, this is kind of resemblant to the XBMC menu, which, wow, that is just great. Where's system? Oh, here we go. Interface. Alright, so again, let's try to switch to Experience 1080. I hope it doesn't crash. So, this program, again, it's really buggy. Experience 1080 does not work, I guess, so I'm not able to see or experience. Get it? So I'm not able to experience this theme pack that's supposed to be downloaded and configured with this program. It's gonna give me an error, isn't it? Oh, it works. Wow, okay. So, wow, alright. Mouse not supported, please disable. I have to use my keyboard. Okay, fine. New movies. So this is the Xbox. This is the Xbox 360 menu. What are these? Name, icon, path. I don't know what these do. Guessing it's supposed to... Here, let me just pull up an image. I'm gonna go with my canceled project, which is the Gmod Japanese commercial thing. Applications? These don't work. If I'm correct. What the hell? Yeah, it doesn't work. Name, icon, show path. So this may take a while for me to like customize this entire thing. But anyway, this menu is really cool. Alright, so I'm back. So as it turns out, using a mouse crashes the program. So here's an example. Oh, not really. But sometimes when you click on something with a mouse, it's gonna crash the program, which is pretty freaking sad. Oh, yes you can. I believe this has controller support, so let me just test something. And yes, it does. It does have controller support. It's cool. I wonder if you can go to the visualizer. Oh, would you look at that? So it has a custom menu, which is super cool. Ooh, what's this? Episodes? I can try and maybe put my custom show in here, the Tokigami show. I can probably put my show on here, if it's possible. And I can load up random songs. What? Okay, now it's just... Oh, it's playing the incorrect order of songs. So clicking the GUI button doesn't do anything. press spacebar. Okay, there we go. So yeah, this program by default has, control support, unlike the older version, XBMC. I'll be right back. I'm gonna figure out on how to put in my custom show on here. Alright, so, I tried fiddling around with Kodi, with the Kodi app, and it doesn't seem to read my show. I follow the episodes 3, 4, 5, 6, number 7, 8, and 9. I don't know if it wants me to have like the thumbnail for this, cause does it need a thumbnail? I'm so confused. But anyway, this is really confusing because I did what the YouTube video showed me on how to make my own TV show for this app, local TV show, and it doesn't seem to function. Yeah, it just doesn't even function. I'm guessing, like, I need to make, like, a thumbnail for this shit. Alright, so I'm gonna fiddle around with this again. I'll be right back, and, yeah. Alright, so I've done a bit of some configuration here. Unfortunately, this may take a long while after I read the Wikipedia on how to make your own TV show for Kodi. So I'm just probably gonna stop right here, and I'm gonna show off the progress for what it looks like now, and I might fully develop this into a whole fake fabricated TV show. So, new TV shows, Tokyo Show, Season 1. Yeah, this is what it looks like, unfortunately. So, I read a very old YouTube video from like 13 years ago. It talks about how you can make your own TV shows, fake ones, and like the episodes and stuff. So yeah, you can like do all of this stuff. It's just that this may take a while for me to develop because it's very complicated. By reading the wiki itself, it shows a bunch of XML stuff that you need to do, and like this, for example, NFO. So I try to get that working, but it doesn't work, unfortunately. So I might make this functionable with XBMC, and yeah, because I feel like it's more easier instead of like all of this. So yeah, this concludes my Kodi exploration. This was very interesting, to be honest, because I did not know you can make your own custom stuff on here, which is super cool. Anyway, that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and a part 3, Forgotten Programs, will be released if I do find something that's like, what do you call that? If I do find something that's like truly abandoned, like from the 2000s, for example. So, thanks for watching, and subscribe for more Forgotten Program parts and episodes, and I'll see you all later.